Hey guys, it's Mr. Tool Swing Guy. Today I'm going to be building a clamp system that works better than this for holding tool swings down. It'll work faster for production. Let's get to it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent it. When you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spit slow, speaking fast. Knock a road, like a rap. I'm open, that's but I don't go back to erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time. You're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know my superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say in the back. I want you to feel free from the chains of that, and to believe in what you got. It was built to last. Yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love. If you wanna play tough and wanna hear this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. That's for you to do. Play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. You could be so remarkable.